Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remix any song with Suno AI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Suno AI. Now, open Suno AI. The website may take a little time to load, so wait for it to open completely. Once Suno opens, go to the Explore section. Here, you'll see a large collection of songs that you can explore. Now, choose a song and move your cursor over it. You'll see a remix option. Click Remix to open the remix creation screen. Here, you'll see the different options you can customize before creating your remix. First, you'll see the soundtrack or original song information. You'll also see the lyrics section. If the remix feature allows editing for that song, you can modify the lyrics here. Next, you'll find the Styles section, where you can change the musical style and create a different sound for your remix. Once you've made your changes, review everything and make sure you're happy with the settings. Now, click Create and let Suno generate your remix. The generation can take some time, so just wait while Suno processes your request. And there you go. Your remixed song is ready. And that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials.